James. Adrian.
Our sponsor, all the way from Las Vegas. And this is Nina with Bunny. And Baby. And this is Vivi. So we're going to do a vlog like mukbang challenge and English speaking only, no Tagalog. And syempre fast talk din habang kumakain lang. So come on, Beba Love. No, I'm just
Explaining.
Come on, Beba Love, samahan niyo kami mag-mukbang challenge.
So we're about to start to cook this seafoods. Bebe Labs, yan na po yung seafoods natin. Yung lobster natin na buhay pa. Gumagalaw-galaw pa. Nakakatawa.
Boy pa?
Boy pa, tignan mo. Ayun nga. So yan talaga siya. Ang laki-laki talaga niya. Oh my God. Yan pa. So lalangoy-langoy pa yan.
Nakakatakot.
So magsasamyang challenge din kami mamaya. So,
kaya ko yan. Paborito ko yan.
Talaga? Paborito mo yan. Oh my God. Ako lang ata hindi makakakaya niyan.
Very good.
Kasi, sila. Takot na siya. So, titignan natin. Dali.
Oh, sorry, eh?
Ketchup? This is it. So, ganun siya. Ganyan pala yung life. And this is my friend. This is Walker. And this is Bella. Sorry also Mashal. Wow! Ang ganda mo sa dress mo ba din.
Thank you.
And this is...
You know, you forgot my name.
I know your name.
Just introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Franklin.
Franklin. Yeah. You need to introduce yourself. Okay? Okay?
I thought you were gonna turn up.
Okay, so we're going to prepare for our vlog.
Ito malupit eh, lumalaban eh. Oh. Oh. Sa akin pa mapupunta yung ano. Pinapawisan ako.
Hindi, wala nang lakas yan.
Ako wala na. So this is just for the sake of our vlog. So kung kikita ka, you should share to everyone. Kung kikita ka, wag mo ito makita. Napagod ako sa'yo.
So, kasama po sa aming mukbang samyang. So,
Hey, you're gonna toss it.
samyang and seafood.
Dali mo heart para malagay ko yung ano. Para malagay ko. Yung ito yung dapat gupitin mo. Iwain mo. Hindi ko
So, nagtatalo sila sa gunting.
itak na lang guys.
Naaligo din.
Tagal niyo akong inuhaw ah. Hauna ako ah. Balikan mo pa to ah.
Biglang nabuhay ulit eh.
Eh shit, ano ka ba? Kim?
Oo nga pala, no? Yeah, takot na takot talaga siya.
Bubuksan niya na yung pintuan. Why are you afraid of it? Just try to touch it.
Put your finger in there.
I put your ball. Ay, ball! One!
They are so makulit, you know that. They're so naughty. And,
Wait, test like this.
no.
Diba?
No, say hi, baby! Say hi, baby!
It's not that strong, bro.
Ako nga magbuha.
How about you try it?
You try your finger so you can...
No, don't worry. Like I'll put the spoon.
Ay, pag...
I got you.
Wala nang energy. Wala na siyang energy kasi alam mo yun, wala na talaga siyang lakas. Kasi tagal niya nawala sa ano eh, di ba? Alam mo yun.
Dede mo, nagmumura day. Lalabas na. Magmumukbang tayo, hindi tayo mag...
Okay, so ready? Get set, go! No,
Okay, first question.
Only English.
To Bebe Loves. Would you or have you had group sex?
Yes.
No, not yet.
Just for. Oh.
Okay, I can.
Oh, I'm sorry, it wasn't starting yet. It started?
Hindi ko pala started.
What are we doing?
Okay. Start na. Okay na.
Take one.
Click. Now.
Okay na.
Okay na. Okay, kakain na ba?
Okay na. Ano ko na? Kumain na kayo.
Kakain na tayo, go.
While we eating.
While we eating. Question.
Joke lang.
Because you haven't eaten.
Guys! Start na kayo, tanong.
No. One moment. That's really
It's not, no, it's not.
Hala? Ano?
He's good.
Uy! Saan yan?
No, he's good.
Even him, he can't even handle that spiciness.
He's good.
What
It's on my
happened,
finger.
baby? Oh, look at you.
Look at me, mom. Shining like a
Binigyan mo
star.
na.
Okay, binyagan na natin ang lobster.
Oh, big guy ka na talaga. Big boy na.
Kaya tayo.
Hey, binigyan mo na daw. It was on my
I'm
finger.
sorry. Bebe. Ulo.
1, 2, 3.
Parang wala namang nangyayaring mga kaganapan. Ito na po mga kaibigan, sinusubo na.
Wala talagang question kasi gutom pa. Wow. Yung tawa no? Ito,
O tapos ano nang mangyayari?
So, question.
Okay, sa question ako magtatanong na lang ako. Kay Mr. James. I have a question for you. Are you loud or quiet during sex?
Quiet daw.
Quiet.
Ah, talaga ba?
Parang ayaw maniwala.
Really? Parang ayaw maniwala.
Why do you eat?
Pwede magtanong doon sa kasama. Okay. Kay
Ano ba yan? Alam niyo, dami yung ex ang salita.
Kay doon sa kasama niya sa sama niyo yung mga panahon na yun. Tapos, sa susunod is
Hindi ako kasali dyan, ha?
si Ed. Do you enjoy shower sex?
Sino natanong mo?
You.
Oh, me?
Oo.
Shower sex? Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, to this guy right here. I'm sorry. Huh? Evie?
Yeah,
Evie, okay. Evie.
Ibig, bulaga.
Okay, Evie, for you, where is the weirdest place you've ever masturbated?
God damn.
That's a very good question. That's a very good.
Ask in my car.
Oh, in your car! God damn! Okay. Ang ingay ko? Okay, so, okay. Ikaw, Heart, do you like to be spunked?
No.
No? Okay. Why? May follow-up question.
Why? Oh my God. How many questions is this? Beauty contest.
Kailangan may follow-up eh.
Exam. Nasa bunutan. I'm having an exam right now.
Okay.
tingnan mo ginawa niya.
Bakit?
Oh, shit.
Ay. Yun tayo.
Ano yun?
See?
Lagot
If
ang
success is
bata.
out of the thing,
Yeah.
you clean it up.
No.
Ano, papatuloy ko ba?
Oh,
Chocolate.
shit.
Ito. Yeah.
Ikaw na, B.
Wait lang.
Kasi, let's go to James. What was your most embarrassing sexual experience?
I think when
I haven't had anything embarrassing.
Oh, yeah?
I think when I open the door, I see it working.
Okay. Ito. Ed, Have you ever fantasized about someone else during sex?
I had that.
Huh?
I had that.
You?
No, not that. Hold it. Lucifer Morningstar.
I would go back to sino nga to? AV. Have you ito. If I ever caught you masturbating, would you no, if she ever caught you masturbating, would you stop or would you finish?
Just blink on me. I'll be like, alright, what's the door?
Jassy. Baby loves.
Ask.
Do you like to kiss during sex?
Yes. Gusto ko.
So how many positions do you think you've tried?
Tangina, 101 Dalmatian.
Helicopter din, no?
One?
Ha? Talagang binilang?
Three. Dali mo na sa Amazon.
3 lang?
Just 3.
Oh, girl!
3.
Only 3. Yes.
You should watch porn more.
3?
Only
Yo.
3 positions. Ayoko kasi ng iba. Gusto ko lang nakapatong sa akin.
Ah?
Ay, tama.
Tamad.
Hindi marunong.
Hindi kasi passionate kasi yun eh.
Okay, so ito. This is a question for everybody. How high is James? How high is your sex drive?
On a scale from 1 to 10?
Mhm.
Like a fucking 10.
Yeah? Oh, girl. Ed. Yung isi mo naman na, yung smile talaga deh.
Pero back din pa yung tagal na.
Hey, English.
Dami pa. Kailangan mo lang
Hey,
time
I
ago.
thought your blog is in English. Why guys?
Sorry. Okay. So,
Walang naman yung pansit.
Walang gumalaw. Ay, nagalaw.
wow.
Hindi, ito yung V, what's your favorite toy?
Diba? Ay,
Ha? What's your favorite toy?
it's about arguing. We're gonna argue now. Be specific.
Anong
Eh,
toy daw?
wala, toy, like any toy.
Ano yung
Toy.
tanong?
Alam mo naman to, all the question is about, so what's your favorite toy?
You know, love toy.
Okay, James, what kind of porn do you watch?
Oh, shit.
What kind of porn?
Yeah.
You want me to answer?
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
I don't
you
mind.
answer it.
I don't mind. Okay, go on.
Okay.
shit.
Oh, yourself?
No, like,
No,
like
no,
music
no.
videos.
Oh.
Yeah.
What?
Music videos? Yeah.
And Adrian.
It's
Adrian,
like a lot.
how often do you masturbate?
Shit. I don't know.
Twice a day?
No, not twice a day.
You went
I would say like
You went right?
3-4 times a week.
Oh, okay. Jessie, what name a sex position you'd like to try?
Helicopter.
Or ano mo lang, anong tawag nun? Ipakita mo na lang, tapos sa kanya yung sample. Paano yun?
Ay, grabe siya. Ano bang gusto ko? Nasa top.
On top?
On top.
So you haven't tried it yet?
I tried, but I can't.
What?
I don't know how to.
I'm gonna teach you. AV, AV, if you were with her and she wanted to have sex right now, would you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, game na game.
Ito na.
Heart, have you ever sent nudes of yourself? Like photos?
Hindi.
None?
Hindi.
Okay. This is an easy question. If you could sleep with any celebrity, who would it be?
Ayaw mo na kunin.
Yes. Dali lang.
Tap.
Nobody.
Basta ako si Lucifer Morning. Lucifer Morningstar. John Ellis, ano ba yun?
No, hold on.
John Ellis,
Ay, baby!
What?
Ano yun?
Damn!
Mike, ay! Putang ina. Ang dami kasi ngiti.
Michael Jackson!
Ay, I don't know, there's a lot!
Hindi ko mag-get.
What? Wait.
Hindi ako makarelate.
Yeah.
Umiyak na. Putik na kasi ang nanay kasi umiyak tuloy yung anak.
Hindi ako makarelate. Alat. Yung alat ng ano. Ako si Lucifer Morningstar doon.
James, what's your favorite part of foreplay? Have you, or if you've done
Eating
some,
pussy.
what?
Eating pussy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sabay ganun. Oh yeah.
Pwede ba
Okay.
Pwede bang cut na lang?
Ha?
Kumain ng pusa. Pwede naman ano yun ng ano, editor.
English though.
Ganon.
I think I have no more question here that
No, you haven't asked the same questions with the same, like, different person.
okay.
Dapat ano?
Like, isang
Good question
question.
lahat.
Ito. Okay.
Sabog eh. Sabog yung tanong eh.
Okay. Ikaw, V. 7 or less than 7 inch?
Oh, shit. 100 po.
Girl, ano?
ano ba?
Bibalaukan ka
Nakaya
dyan.
ko? Nakaya ko?
7 or less than 7 inch.
Hindi, kung anong gusto mo. Kung mas malaki sa 7.
Ano ba naman yan? Kami naman kayo.
Size or performance?
Both?
Okay.
Size matters?
Ay, shit. Ang babastos niyo naman.
No, what if you can choose both?
James. Same question.
Ano ba yan?
No, not for you. Yeah. See, this is the reason why you should have like a different
No, the
question.
nipples.
Size. 7 inch.
Hindi.
Okay, James. Lying or sitting?
Sinisipon ako pag namin eh. Hindi ako mahilig sa
Sitting.
Sitting. Ed, lying or sitting?
Oo.
Lying or sitting?
Lying.
Jazz,
Lying.
go ahead. Keep on, lying or sitting?
Or what?
Sitting. Yeah.
No, we don't know.
Just answer. Just answer. Lying or sitting?
You know what I'm saying? Like if it's
Yeah, but
if I'm
just
getting head, I'd rather sit with it. I'm laying down right there.
No explanation.
yeah, just choose. Cold day or hot day?
Oh shit, all day.
James,
Cold.
you.
Hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Cold.
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 Hot.
Hot.
Oh.
Used to in the Philippines. Huh?
Cold.
Sorry.
Bed or couch?
Cold everywhere.
Couch.
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Exactly, that's my
Kahit
answer.
itaog mo pa yung couch. Basta kaya ko.
Sa loob pa ng cabinet eh.
Oo.
Pag baba niyo, basang-basa na kahit bumabahan ng pawis na.
Pag tinanong kayo, ginagawa niyo, naglaba. Naglaba kami sa... Tinampay na nga namin eh.
Nag-cardio.
Nakasampay na.
Ikaw, Jazz. I mean, ikaw, Bebe Loves.
Yes.
Ano yung pinaka... Wala pala akong tanong.
Okay.
Sorry. Magsalita naman kayo dyan.
Ako na lang magtatanong.
Ikaw na lang magsalita dyan, ikaw.
Sino ka?
Alam mo, hindi makakaling vlog para maggagong mga ano.
Ha? What happened?
Hindi, para lang kasi tayo nag-uusap eh. Para lang yung
Normal
vlog
lang,
nag-uusap.
How many babies do you want?
Unlimited.
Oh shit. I resign. I resign.
Go make it 5 so it will be a basketball season.
Oh, you already have a more. 3 more? Shit, we need to find one. Maybe.
Kaya ano, te? Oh. Gapo yan. Gapo yan. Mars, okay ka lang?
Okay lang ha?
So, ilang kami nakatayo kami.
Ano?
Ako hindi niyo ako tatanungin, okay lang ba ako dito?
Kumain ka na.
Hindi, ay, busog kasi ako.
No, they
Magbababay lang ako para makakain ka, ha?
Hindi, okay lang. Promise, okay lang.
Sabihin ko lang. Hindi.
Tapos mga after neto, dun tayo dadalangin seryoso mga question.
So, thank you so much mga ka-Bebe Love. So, I enjoy eating with them, with their friends. So, thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy also watching our videos. So, love, Bebe Loves. If you don't have any account of YouTube, so you can make it. And then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click notification bell for more videos to come and for more notification of my videos. So, love, mga Bebe Love.
Stop mo na yun, pagod na siya magsalita.
Anyway, Dong, kumusta naman yung kinakain mo dyan, Dong? Ano, Dong? Masarap ba, Dong? How's it? Sarap.
Yan yung mga ano yung patapon.
Sabihin mo, sarap.
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 Halo
Sarap.
sa'yo.
Sarap.
Sarap. Masisaya.
Ano siya siya?
Siya sa'yo.
Ang sa'yo. Ang laban na to. Ang sa'yo.